Good afternoon. Myself, I'm ALLURI FEBI, and today my topic is about rights and duties of the banker and the customer. So, first slide presents that understanding the banking relationship, which means the relationship between a customer and the banker. So, the constant guides to legal and practical rights and responsibility that shape a modern banking relationship. This presentations explores what a banker may lawfully do and what a customer should expect in return, and how both parties keep transactions secure, fair, and transparent. Next one is the foundations of banking relationship, which means it rests the banking rests on the mutual rights and duties which create profitability and trust. These obligations rise from contract and long-standing banking practices, which is divided into both sides understand their roles, and which is divided into three types. The one is first one is trust. Trust means customer and a banker having a trust, which means if a customer issue any cash amounts or anything, the bank should be responsible, so they should maintain a trust and confidence with the customer. And the second one is contract means the banker and the customer will be having an agreement before a customer has been you pay something in a bank, like account opening form, loan agreement, or terms and condition established duties. The third one is regulation. Laws and codes protects their bank account, so only the authorities can access the customer's account. The next one is key rights of bank. So the banker holds servile statutory and contractual rights that let them manage the risk and recover funds. These rights are not unlimited. They must be exercised in a good faith and with appropriation notice with required. So there are five things, which is charge, interest, and fees. Bank may charge agreement interest on credit and eliminate the service fees, example account maintenance or something. Next one is right of lien. When securities or goods are deposited, banks may retain them until reliability debts are repaid, but cannot normally sell without consent or a court order. The next one is right of set-off. Banks may combine accounts held by the same customer to balance debits and credits, subject to ownership rules and notification. Next one is appropriation. If a customer gives no instructions, bank can apply in their transactions for repaying all their debt for recovering all their debts. Next one, closing account. Bank can, if there is a bank can close accounts for there is any misuses happening with the customer's account. The next one is essential duties of the customer. Bank owns core duties which protect customers and the financial system. These include five types. First one is honor check and payment. Bank must pay check and execute valid payment instruction when fund and formalities are in order. The next one is maintains secrecy. Customers' information is confidential and may be disclosed only with consent, legal compulsions, or regulatory requirement. Next one is follow lawful instructions. Bank must act and customers' instructions that are lawful, clear, and within the account's mandate. Keep proper records. We have to curate the books, and the statements are essential for recognition, audits, and resolving debts. The next one is a provide notice. Significant changes including account closure or fees, anything, they have to provide a lawful agreement. Fundamental rights of the customer. There are four types. First one is fair treatment. We have to treat the customers equally. We should not show any discriminations to the customers. Next, the transparency. The banker should be transferred to the customers of their transactions. Next one is privacy. Only the banker can access the privacy, not the others. They have to make the secrecy and privacy. Next, grievances. Customers may complain and expect timely, fair if any misunderstands, misuses is being happen. Next, important duties of the customer. Supply accurate information. Truthful personal and financial disclosure are required for accounting open, credit assessment and compliance. Update detail promptly. Notify the bank of the changes in address, contact details or circumstance to keep records current and communication effective. Next one is customers must honor repayment, maintain minimum balance in the account. Next one is a report fraud quickly. Like if any misunderstanding is happening, we have to inform the bankers quickly. This is the real. This slide represents the real world scenario of the right of set off in actions. There are three types. One is customer ownership, notification, and limitation. And this one is the customers dealing. Like it's a type of a flow chart where we can see the transparency and fair dealing a customer shield. Next one is the balance of trust, confidential and ethical conduct, like defense measures, which means strong authorities and encryptions and transaction monitoring reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Next, customer responsibility. Customer's responsibility means uses of 2FA secure password and actions with publishing where they can prevent fraud. They will not be happening any fraud prevention in that is known as customers responsibility. Customers has to take their responsibility for their own bank transactions. Conclusion: empowering both banker and customer. So, clear rights and duties create a stable banking relationship. Bank must act fairly, transparently, and securely. Customer also must be honest and timely in their communication. When both parties met these standards, there will be a good communications, or there will be a good relationship between the banker and the customer. And also trustworthy financial systems know your rights, fulfill your duties, and we can say it banking is a partnership for the customers, and it's also an agreement. So thank you.